Hey everyone, and welcome back to HSE Box. If you're new here, this is the place where we break down complex health, safety, and environment topics into actionable insights that actually make sense. Join us as we build a community that values safety above all else. Before we dive into today's deep dive, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're building a community of safety professionals and conscious workers who believe that good enough isn't good enough when it comes to lives and the environment. Join us and let's make safety second nature together. Today, we are playing HSE Mythbusters. In the world of safety, there's a lot of tribal knowledge, things we've heard on site for years that everyone just accepts as truth. But here's the kicker, some of these myths are actually making your workplace less safe. Let's tear them down. Myth number 1, safety is just common sense. This is perhaps the most dangerous phrase in the industry. If safety were just common sense, we wouldn't have thousands of pages of regulations or specialized degrees in risk management. The reality, safety is a science, not an instinct. Human beings are biologically wired for efficiency and shortcuts, not for identifying the hidden energy in a hydraulic line or the long-term effects of silica dust. We need systems. Myth number 2, PPE is your first line of defense. How many times have you seen a supervisor hand out earplugs or gloves and think the problem is solved? The reality, according to the hierarchy of controls, personal protective equipment, PPE, is actually your last line of defense. It's the least effective way because it relies entirely on human behavior and the equipment not failing. Elimination is the goal. Myth number 3, high-vis makes you invincible. We've all seen it, the green vest syndrome. It's a dangerous psychological phenomenon. There's a phenomenon where wearing safety gear makes people feel more protected than they actually are, leading to greater risks. High visibility clothing only works if the person behind the wheel is looking in your direction. It's a tool, not a shield. Myth number 4, a zero incidents record means a site is safe. This one is a corporate favorite. We've gone 500 days without an injury. The reality, a low injury rate can sometimes just mean you're lucky, or worse, that people are underreporting. True safety is proactive. A truly safe site is measured by the presence of capacity. How many hazards were identified and fixed today? Fix them before accidents happen. Myth number 5, safety slows down production. The old safety versus speed debate. Many workers feel procedures add hours to the job. The reality, research shows safe sites are more efficient. Why? Because incidents are the ultimate production killers. One accident can shut you down. When you do it right the first time, you don't have to do it over, and you don't have to stop for an investigation. Safety is efficiency. Breaking these myths isn't just about being right. It's about changing the way we think about our colleagues and our environment. When we stop relying on myths, we start looking at the data, the engineering, and the human factors that actually keep people whole. If you've heard a safety rule that sounds fishy, drop a comment below. I want to hear what you're seeing in the field. Let's discuss. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you a new perspective. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one here on HSE Box.